Hey Wayne, it's Joshua from Distance Education. This is that video I promised on how to link your Panapto videos within the module like we discussed. So as you can see here, I'm impersonating you. Do not be offended. Here in Chapter 9, you don't have a video link. If I go to your Panapto recordings page, I can see the link here. I'm going to click on Share. And then here is the embed code. You want to highlight the entire embed code, copy. Then we're going to go to the place where we want the video link to appear. We're going to click New, Create Link. We're going to paste the URL. We're going to select Open as an external resource. And you can title this whatever you want. I'm going to title it Video Lecture Chapter 9. And then I'm going to create it. And it's going to create a separate page, as you can see. If we go back to the Chapter 9 page, we can see it here. If we click on the link, it's going to open up your video in a separate screen, which is desirable, and it all plays the way we want it to. So that should fix it. Any questions? Good luck.